Doghouse app.
The Doghouse app? What?
It's this really cool app. It allows you to check updates on the latest news about sports at Puma.
Yeah, it allows you to check updates on schedules, rosters, and scores. You can also do pictures and videos. It's really cool.
Sounds cool. How much is it? It's only 99 cents, and I'm going to go to help support our sports program.
Wow, that seems like a good price. I'm going to go download it.